36 small needles making tiny holes in the skin. Why in the world would you do that?
We use it for acne scars, we use it for wrinkles, fine lines, sun damage. What it does is it creates micro injuries that, as part of the wounding response, you heal, and you heal with thicker collagen.
It's called microneedling. Dr. Elizabeth Munich of Dermatology and Skincare Associates in Mason says it's a great way to treat skin conditions like acne scarring. And when it comes to smoothing out problem areas, there are plenty of benefits to this procedure.
This is about 1/3 of the downtime of the big gun lasers and about 1/3 of the expense. So it's very, very popular.
Dr. Munich says microneedling has been available for about 5 years now, but people have really started jumping on the bandwagon the last couple. Today, Andrea Floyd wants to keep her 30-something skin looking its age.
I'm just cleaning the skin with a little bit of a surgical scrub. Andrea has been numbing for probably a good 20, 25, 30 minutes.
There's a little less cushion in the forehead, so the microneedling device is set more shallow, almost like controlling the rotors on a mini lawnmower. You're seeing what Dr. Munich describes as pinpoint bleeding. Very red, but it's not flowing out. This is more the result of the doctor's continuous motion, so she doesn't waste any time stopping down to wipe it. Remember, Andrea's face is numb.
Do you feel that?
Barely.
Barely? Great. Is it painful?
No.
No?
Excellent.
Then onto the cheeks and the lower part of the face. The needles are extended to go a little bit deeper. That's because collagen production doesn't happen in the top layer of the skin called the epidermis, so Dr. Munich needs to get down to the dermis, so those micro injuries can stimulate the collagen-making process, eventually leading to a fuller, more polished coat, including under the eyes, a spot where we often need a little bit of help as we get older.
This is a very, very difficult area as we age. We tend to get a little crepey and the skin gets a little lax. This is a wonderful treatment because we can get pretty far up, very close under the lower eyelid there.
To drive home the fact that pain is not a factor, a moment of levity when the needles come in contact with the nose.
It's a warning, it feels really funny. Does that feel odd?
Yeah.
Back for another pass just to make sure all the areas are covered. Then it's cleanup time.
It makes her look less scary by putting on the hyaluronic acid and the nectar.
And the finishing touches.
And when this dries, I'm going to put on a pretty thick coat of ointment, plus or minus a sunscreen, depending on time of day and where she needs to go.
Just 1 or 2 days later, Andrea's face looks normal again. It'll take about 6 weeks to stimulate collagen growth the first time. The doctor recommends a total of 3 treatments a month apart to start, then some quarterly visits to maintain that smooth new look. That's a few weeks later. She sent those photos in, but you can literally go back to work in a day or two.
That's impressive because when you're watching it, you're kind of like, just a little bit, right? Okay, it always sounds great, but everybody out there is saying, how much?
Yeah, well, the cost is only $300 per treatment. Dr. Munich says it's a safe treatment for people of all ages, but she would only perform it on a teenager if there's actually acne scarring and they really need it.
All right, good information there.